to me, the biggest thing is, I think a lot of people think that right now there's a pricing problem when it comes to homes, but I don't necessarily agree with that. I think there's a payment problem.
Yeah.
So, helping those buyers and sellers realize that if you have a forward commitment on your home, you can not only advertise a rate like new construction does, that's a lower than market average, but you can also make it the monthly payment that it needs to be for the buyer, which brings in, who knows how many more qualified buyers that you wouldn't have otherwise.
And what I think is the injustice is that, unfortunately, for a tremendous amount of agents, what they're doing is simply dropping the price.
Right.
And so we know that property didn't lose any equity, right? But they're dropping the price to chase after a buyer as opposed to positioning it strategically, like this is the amount of points that this can be bought down.
Right.
This is the interest rate that can be offered. And this is what the new monthly payment could be if you positioned it in this way. And
Right.
so that conversation is just simply not being had at a listing appointment with a seller.